don't skip the video. This video might have reached you late, but if it is, watch till the end. Because what I am about to tell you, most players will never understand. You've heard this a thousand of times. Master 1v1 and you will dominate the game. But let me tell you the truth. 1v1 is a scam. Yes, I said it. It sounds cool on paper, but in real world, on a real pitch, just chasing 1v1 will get you nowhere. I practiced thousands of times only 1v1, but I sucked at matches. Coach always say, be confident, focus on the match, move the ball, keep passing. And they say it for a reason. Because football, it is a passing game. Dribbling? Yes, it's beautiful. It's necessary. But only in two situations. One, when you are in under serious pressure. Second, or when you need a quick escape route. In this video, we will going too deep and we will going to explore the most dangerous defenders of all time, the jockeying defender. He waits, he reads, he doesn't dive in, he doesn't panic, he'll bait you and you won't even know it. And if you can beat him, you can beat anyone. So let me tell you, this isn't some random skills video to make you feel good, but the one who will stay till the end would be the best player on his team. This could be one of the most important videos you will watch in your football journey because it's the small things that turn ordinary players into unstoppable ones. First, stop trying to be Neymar. Every young bowler wants to play flashy. They spam skills, thinking, if I'll do fast enough, I'll become Neymar. But let me ask you something. Have you ever seen Neymar take a bad touch to fail, control an aerial pass? No, because he's Neymar and you are not him yet. You're not there, but you can get there if you train right. So, leave the flash behind. Let us talk about what actually matters. These are the moves that work in real games. Body feints, step overs, L-drag turns, sudden changes of direction. I've studied this, and from all the research and real match testing, two moves stand out: step overs and body feints, especially against jockeying defenders. These defenders will always show you a side. They want you to think, I can go there. But the moment you do, they'll trap you. You have no route to escape. They use your movement to control you. But if you shift their hips with the right fake, they are gone. They won't even realize when you slipped past them. It's insane. And here's the key. Watch their heels. When a defender heels touch the ground, it means his energy is off. He is underactive. That's your window. That's when you strike. The mistake that most players make is when you're dribbling toward a defender, do not take big touches. Big touches are for open space. In 1v1 situation, one bad touch is equal to instant loss and your teammates will shout at you. You must stay in control. Use small, sharp touches. Let the ball stick to your feet like a glue. A jockeying defender wants you to cut off your exit point. If your exit is predictable, he wins. But if you explode to the opposite side of his positioning, he loses balance. And that's your moment to win. Exit is simply the line you go to after beating a defender. When you pull the defender to one side and hit a clean body feint, you will see it on his face. He start losing his cool. He get aggressive. He wants to shut you down instantly. And when a defender start thinking emotionally, you already won. Here's how to execute. Drop your shoulder to one side, slightly bend your knee, slow down your momentum, then explode in the opposite direction. Make your body feint towards the side you have no intention of going. That's how you lie your body and win your exit. Now, let me give you the raw truth. If you're short in height and your power move is body feint, think Messi. If you're tall, your weapon is step overs. Think Cristiano Ronaldo. That's not disrespect, it's reality. Practice with discipline, don't chase flash. Chase effectiveness. If you follow all the tips I have given in this video, you will be the player no one's dare to defend against.